How to get Japanese letters in Roblox Display Name. So what we need to do is log into our Roblox account, then click on the gear icon in the top right and go to settings. From here, some people will tell you that you need to change your account location, but that's not actually true if you want to change your display name and add Japanese letters. So basically, I'm going to explain how this works. We want to go into Google and we will search for Japanese smiley face letter or any letter that you want. You can use Google Translate. And we want to just highlight the letter itself and right click and copy. We can press Ctrl+C on our keyboard as well. So after we have copied the letter itself, we are going to go back into Roblox Display Name and we'll click on the pencil icon here. So what you want to do, you want to know that you can't use a mix of letters. So for example, you can't use your English name and then add Japanese letters because it will tell us that it contains unsupported characters. However, if you use simply a Japanese name here, so for example, if I add this letter here 3 times because it requires 3 letters at least, then I can change my display name here. However, like I said, you can't mix Japanese and other letters as well. It has to be just Japanese or it has to be just English. So that's how you do it. Just change your or add your letters, Japanese letters, click on save, and you will get Japanese letters in your display name. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.